always bright, happy that you're mine. Joy and love, your love is true, I know. You are the best thing that has happened to me.
Hi, this is Monica DEROUSSEL with EXP, and today we're gonna check out my newest listing on onWest for Grow. This high-end custom built home is truly one of the kind. Let's see it. And I want to show you my favorite 3 things about this property. First and foremost, you have his and hers office, not closet, but office. Look at that. Number 2, my favorite thing about this property is Christmas closet. How many homes have you seen with this amazing Christmas closet in it? And number 3 thing you have to know about this custom built home is this truly built custom pantry, straight from garage connected to your kitchen. How about that?